Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about we need to find the last digit of this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we know that 3 to the power of 0 we have number 1. 3 to the power of 1 we have number 3. 3 to the power of 2 we have number 9. 3 to the power of 3 we have number 27, and 3 to the power of 4 we have 81. So we see that from 0 to number 4 they repeat again number 1, and if we put 3 to the power of 5 they will have the last digit is about number 3. So if we look carefully, the power 2 to the power of 1998, we know that this one can divide by number 4, and number 4 that's about 2 to the power of 2, and we can simplify like this. So that means after we repeat many times we still have about the digit that is about number 1, because after we go back in here the last digit of this one that is about number 1. Now let's go to this one. So we have 2 to the power of 0 we have number 1. Number 1 that's about number 2. Number 2 that's about number 4. 3 that's about number 8. 4 that is about 16, and 2 to the power of 5 we have 32. So we see that they repeat number 2 again at number 1. So number 5 we have 32. So if we look on the odd power 1 we have number 2, 3 we have number 8, 5 we have number 2 again. So that means in this situation we need to find the odd but cannot divide by number 3, because 3, not number 3, 3, 7 and number 9. So we need to find about 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. They should be about the odd number in here. So in this one we consider the power in here. About this one we have 9 to the power of 0 we have number 1. 9 to the power of 1 we have number 9. So 9 to the power of 2 we have 81. So they repeat again at number 2 and number 0. That means if this one that is about even power they go back to number 1. If this one is about odd number they go back to number 9. So we see that this one is about 1998. This is about even power. So this one should be about the last digit, that's about number 9 in here. So we know that if we repeat about 7, 9, later that they return back to 11. So this is about number 2, 13, number 8, 15, that's about 32. So number 9 in here you got about number 2 of the last digit. But this one we know that the last digit of this one that is about number 9. If we have number 2 to the power of 9 we have the last digit is about number 2. So the last digit of this one should be about number 2. So this is about number 1. So the last digit number 1 minus the last digit number 2. 1 minus 2, they return back to number 9. Because, for example, if this one we have another number in here, so we need to remember about one number in here. So that's why they just return back to number 9. So we can say that the last digit of this one, that is about number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.